Today we have medium problem. Given some numbers, and we know that it is even count of numbers. We want to ask if Alice that plays a game of picking first or last number, if Alice win. Solution is kind of very teaser. You can write deep dynamic programming, but the most clever solution is just return true. That Alice always wins because we have even number of this choice game. And I'll explain the trick. The trick is Alice is a police because she can enforce the other player to pick all events or all odds. All events or all odds. How does she make it? So imagine we have numbers like, let's place them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have big numbers at odd position, like okay, let's make it small numbers of odd position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is small numbers, and big numbers at even positions like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as Alice goes first, she's enforce the all events or all odds for herself and for the opponent Bob. How does she do it? It's just the mechanics. Each time she has even and odd. So this is odd, this is even positions, and this happens each time on her turn. So she can enforce to choose between red and yellow, odd on or even number. So imagine she choose to take all odds herself, because in this example odds events has a bigger numbers sum. So she takes 10 to herself. This is even number, and Bob have to choose between two events. So Bob takes any like this, for example, or maybe this, maybe. Okay, and again the Alice has to pick between odd and even. So she picks again even number, because at step 1 she decides I take all even numbers to myself, and that's again the Bob has no choice but between two odds, and he takes 4, and then again Alice can take even number to herself, and then again Bob, hopeless, Alice goes and takes yellow number. Bob takes between two reds, Alice take yellow, and Bob loses. So this is how it works. Let's look at the code. This is not optimal, by the way, because it has 3 lines of code. There is a vast of lines, and the optimal solution is this one. So this is a code in 1. So you just return 1 bigger than 0, and for the last return 1 bigger than 0. You can force that you can panic at not even length, but this is not necessary, and what's not necessary shouldn't be written. Okay, that's it for today.